Have you ever sat down to focus on something, and 2 minutes later, you realize you've opened 3 different apps, watched 5 short videos, and forgotten what you were even doing? And then you think, wait, do I have ADHD? Hold on. Before you label yourself, let's talk. These days, a lot of people feel like they have ADHD. They say, I can't concentrate. My brain's always jumping around. I get bored too quickly. And sure, those can be symptoms of ADHD. But in many cases, it's not actually ADHD. It's a brain that's been trained, or better said, rewired, by constant exposure to short, fast, high-stimulation content. I'm talking about the endless scroll, 15-second videos, nonstop notifications, dopamine hits every few seconds. And over time, that rewires how your brain works. It shortens your attention span, makes you crave novelty, and kills your ability to sit with one thought. Think of it like this. Imagine you're trying to download a big file, but your Wi-Fi keeps cutting out every 5 seconds. The download never finishes, right? That's your brain on overstimulation. Thoughts don't get completed. Focus never settles. And then we wonder why we feel mentally scattered, why we can't concentrate. There's no magic pill. But there is a path to rebuilding your focus. It's about teaching your brain how to slow down again, how to stay with one thing. For some people, that might be exercise. For others, journaling, walking, or deep work blocks. And for many, especially those overwhelmed by mental noise, simple breathing or short mindfulness sessions can make a massive difference. Not because it's spiritual or trendy, but because it literally trains your brain to resist distraction. So if you've been feeling unfocused, overstimulated, and mentally all over the place, before you assume it's ADHD, take a step back. Ask yourself, what have I been feeding my mind every day? And is it helping or hijacking my focus? You don't have to change your entire life overnight. Just start with one small habit that brings you back to yourself. On this channel, I've shared some simple tools like breathing exercises and focus meditations. That can help if you want to give them a try. And if this video spoke to you, maybe share it with someone who might need to hear this too.